Kaisuke. Yeah, that sounds like a Japanese name. Okay, those of you who grew up in the early 90s probably know of the Turbografx-16 video game system. In that game, it was, this was Ryujinmaru. This was your ship. Who knows what they called them? Oh, I'm sorry. They called it Keith Courage in Alpha Zones. But in Japan, it was Mashin Eiyuuden Wataru. And this is the Ryujinmaru character that you were using to play with. Oh my god. If you want to value your sanity, never look at the Keith Courage comic book that came with the game. Because it's just evil westernization.
Oh, he's gonna die. Oh no.
Surprise!
Yeah, we just saw it jump in.
Urgle. Oh, layers. Have layers. Have a fun time at school.
I'm gonna go save the world now.
Carry on, my wayward son.
So yeah, this is the main character from that video game. And yeah. The reason I got this is not to build this, believe it or not. Back in, oh god, somewhere in the early 90s, I went to a toy store in New Hope, Pennsylvania. And they had a black version of him, except he was this tall, and instead of being super deformed like that, his body was like a Gundam. And I'm like, oh my god, that's incredible. And I think it was like 20 bucks when I got it. And recently going onto eBay to rebuy it and have it once more again, like $700 or $800. Yeah, isn't that a kick in the balls? After all the moves through my life, it's just no longer with me. And you know what? I love that model, but I'm never going to pay $700 or $800 for it. Hell fucking no. So pretty much what I'm going to do is I'm going to take his head, maybe a body part or two, and that's it. The rest I'm going to rebuild out of Gundam parts that I have laying around or will order. Maybe even some Dunbine parts, which I'm sure I'll be doing. Or a Battler Dunbine, for those of you who don't know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is a very cute little model kit. I would love to build it actually as it's supposed to be, but I just don't like how squat and short these motherfuckers are. I mean, it's cute, it's nice, and it's simple to build. There's the all-important polycaps. But, I don't know. I just can't. I would rather build a giant version of them. That sword's a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. Actually, this whole model is a little bit bigger than I thought it would be. Because these have come out in the past, but they're usually about this big. And for some ungodly reason, even those are hundreds of dollars. Not cool. But, you know. Yeah, that's pretty sexy. Let's see, I'm trying to find his head. Okay, actually, that's part of his head. That dome is part of his head. And there should be a... Where's the white? Okay, that's the back of his head. I don't know. Okay, there's his faceplate, and there's the rest of the head, I believe. Pretty sure. Yeah. I wonder... Maybe I should build it and then take it apart. It looks like I should be able to. I mean, it's a modern model kit. It's not like the kind that came out in the 80s and stuff where you needed glue and crap like that. This is actually snapped together and shit like that. Let's see. MSO2. Yeah, this isn't even by Bandai. This is by Max Factory. And what's fucking weird is they just came out with this a while ago. And surprise, surprise, they're coming out with a black version. But it's not tall like a Gundam. It's about this size, and it's in black. I mean, oh well. I can still paint this head black. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm gonna not post this video until I have that built, just to show you. Oh, and here's the stickers. Ryujinmaru. Ooh, that's sexy. I'm glad that it has these the dragon head here cut out all nice and neat, because when I remake it, I will probably they're way too small. I will probably want to make the embossed cutout for his shoulder armor, like was on the black version, whereas this is just a sticker that fits over it flat. Yeah, that's too small. I wonder if there's a way I could possibly scan this, resize it, and then trace it onto styrene sheets. Yeah, and then just cut it out really carefully. That should work. Yeah, I'm digging it. Should be cool. Yeah, here's what this guy looks like built. As you can see, he's actually... I thought he was a little bit taller than these guys, than these original types were. It's just about the same, really. Yeah, just about. Not too bad. Vapam, 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 vapam. Anyway, oh god, I shot his arm off. But yeah, I mean, here's one that was made in modern days, and here's one from olden days, and quite a difference. Not the same character, mind you, and stuff, but yeah, it's pretty damn cute. You might notice it's a little bit dusty because I'm recording this at a far point in time from the first half of this video. But yeah, oh my god, what have I done? Yeah, as you can see, his swords are optional. Jesus. Yeah, the thinking here is, oh my god. His legs do not stay in very well, but, that's okay, because it's not like you're playing with him like crazy. You're just setting him up somewhere and making him look nice. Yeah, the main thinking behind this is that his leg pops off. Does that go in any harder? I don't think so. The main thinking is that you pull his sword out and then discard this and pretend that was always there. And then, vice versa. You put the sword in here and then give him his optional hand where he's not holding it, Do I have that upside down, I wonder? It almost looks like I do. Yeah, I think I gave him the wrong hand. I don't know. I can't tell. Maybe not. I don't know. But yeah, very cool looking. Very Keith Courage and Alpha Zones, as I remember it. And I cannot look at it from the side without going, vapam, vapam, vapam. See? Yeah. Okay. This thing is a horrible piece of shit. Ugh. It's like around the time that they came out with the Sword Master and Dark Master. They came out with these guys too, and these are horrid. Never ever buy these little guys. Ugh, so evil, ugly, and stupid. Oh wow, that projectile just went flying, didn't it? Yeah, enough of that. Awesome, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Garbage. Ancient, yeah. So yeah, he's awesome. Like, subscribe, hit the bell. Make sure you're still subscribed, because YouTube is being a jagoff. And... vapam.
Ryujinmaru! Sat! Toryuken!
続々登場するマシン軍団をやっつけろ。
発揮しって面白かっこいいぜ